Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Ethelbert Izquierdo, 30 years old, a single mother with a 9-year-old daughter. I'm a high school graduate. I have experienced 3 years and 5 months as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. Finish contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities at my previous job was taking care of the kids, cooking, cleaning, and ironing.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and an elderly?
I take good care of them by cooking and feeding them healthy and nutritious food, and also making sure they are healthy and clean.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, my skills are I can do multitasking. I can cook while doing laundry, and also I am a good cook Filipino food, and I am also willing to cook Chinese food and learn.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be reliable, trustworthy, hardworking, and God-fearing.
Anything else you want to tell your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, to my future employer, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I will do my best to my job and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.